Now today our topic is allergic reaction. First we should know about the allergy. What is allergy? Allergy is the uh, allergy is abnormal immune response to specific food that is called allergy. Now we will discuss in detail about allergy and allergic reactions. Now first of all, why food allergy matters? Because allergic reactions can make people very ill and can sometimes lead to death. However, there is no cure for food allergy. The only way someone can avoid getting ill is to make sure they don't eat the food they are allergic to. This is the only way. They have to avoid to eat the food which is allergic for them. There is no other control. Now there are top 14 allergens which includes cereal containing gluten. Examples are wheat, rye, barley, oats, crustaceans, prawns, crabs, lobsters, crayfish, eggs, fish, peanut, soybean, milk, nuts, all type of nuts, that pistachio, cashew nut, walnut, almonds, celery, mustard, sesame seed, sulfur dioxide, which we are using as a preservative. If it is added more than 10 milligram per kg, then it may be allergen. Then lupin, that mostly found in bread, pastas, and pastries. Mollusks, which include oyster and snails. What are the symptoms? The symptom of a food allergy almost always develop in a few minutes or few seconds to a minutes after eating the food, which includes tingling or itching in the mouth, a raised itchy red rashes, that is hives. In some cases, the skin can turn red and itchy, but without a raised rashes. Swelling of the face, mouth, throat, or other areas of the body. Difficulty in swallowing, wheezing or shortness of breath, feeling dizzy and lightheaded, feeling sick, that is nausea or vomiting, abdominal pain, sometimes diarrhea, and symptoms like sneezing or itching eyes. Now, if there is very severe cases, that severe cases we are called anaphylaxis or anaphylactic. Some people may develop a severe allergic reaction that is called anaphylaxis, which can be life-threatening. The symptoms of a severe allergic reaction can be sudden and get worse very quickly. Anaphylaxis is a medical emergency. Without quick treatment, it can be life-threatening. If you think you or someone you know is experiencing anaphylaxis, you have to call ambulance as soon as possible for medical treatment. Now, what is the control measures? Keep in mind, it cannot be controlled or removed by temperature, chemical, or by washing or filtering food. The control measures are your application of good practices and HACCP. HACCP means hazard analysis critical control point. Your system should work properly, and you have to be follow your procedures and practices. Avoiding contamination, segregation means you have to keep these allergens separate from other items. Separate utensils and cloth you have to use with them. Color coding, it is better to use color coding chopping board, cutting board, and knives for allergens, separate for allergens and separate for other items. Clear labeling, you have to mention on label, these are the lists, these are the allergens. Effective cleaning, hand washing, before and after preparation of food, and after and before touching the allergens. Effective communication is very important. If customer want something, he will ask to waiter and waiter shall ask to chef. And after getting information from chef, the waiter should again inform to customer about these all allergens. Now, ingredients information on packed food should be usually listed in descending order on their weight. As per their weight, it is written on the packets, with the largest ingredient first. Where an ingredients is made up of other ingredients, compound ingredients, that is called compound ingredients. With a few exceptions, these are also declared in the ingredient list and labels to show allergen in bold in the ingredient list. This should be all allergens should be written in bold letters. Now keep touch with us for upcoming videos and contact with us uh, and subscribe our channel if you are watching first time. Thank you very much.